Oh, I know, they're gonna, she needs suspenders.
Start rolling.
Yeah, let her spit up. Is there a cloth?
Get one.
How about a wipe?
Yeah. I'll just grab it right. How about if I roll your feet? Will that work?
Yeah, we'll just use that as she spits up. How's that? That'll work. Well, aren't you full of yourself, huh? She's so full.
She's like,
Barry, did Barry get a bath?
He had a bath like a week ago.
Oh, that's why he's so soft. Can Sabrina feel how soft he is? He'll feel Barry.
Don't pull, honey.
She'll just want to come over and do it herself.
She'll want to just end up
Oh,
chilling.
yeah, she's just loving it, isn't she?
Oh, yeah. Like, every time I go in her room, she's just sitting up in her crib, waiting to come out.
Oh, my God. Oh, listen to her. She makes more noise than that.
That's okay.
What is she?
The only thing that you'll have to, she goes after this wire.
Oh,
I'm like, we
okay.
tried to twist it.
Well, she's going to go after everything.
Yeah,
See, you
but
got
she loves wire.
You get down in her view, and whatever you see is what she's, you know.
She crawled all the way to my phone cord in my room yesterday. I'm like, Tina, you find whatever you can.
You're the big girl. Huh? You're the big girl.